you do the whole tearing the husband down thing.
Okay, so naan breads. While this may not be the traditional Indian way of cooking naan breads, this is our way. It is super duper yummy, it is super duper cheap. You will recognise part of the recipe because it's basically how I make wraps, but with a twist to turn it into a garlic and cheese naan. I am going to invite my special guest chef. Say hello, special guest chef.
Hello, special guest chef.
That's why I do the talking. I'm going to start this off like my normal wrap recipe. We want about 3 tablespoons of butter. Now this is a little bit less than, I think I originally put 7 tablespoons of butter in my wraps recipe. I have since discovered it turns out fine with a bit less, because it's a lot of butter to add to something, and of course the Budjo table spread. So, and 2 cups of milk. I use the powdered milk. 2 cups. And then I'm just going to heat that up in the microwave. You can do it in a pot on the stove or on the fireplace if you're being stingy. Because I've got other stuff on the stove, I'm just going to heat this up in the microwave just until the butter all melts into the milk.
Before I add to my stove.
Good job. Right, so I'm just going to add this straight into the same pot because I'm being lazy. Normally I do them in separate bowls and then add the liquid to the flour, but I'm just hungry and I want dinner, so So you want 4 cups of flour into here. Are you putting these in, Aston, or are you playing with measuring tapes? Also just want 1 teaspoon of salt.
I'm doing that.
Of course you're doing that. Yeah. Right. Give that a mix up, and that's it as far as the actual bready ingredients goes. Just mix that until it gets nice and doughy and a bit hard to mix. Flour the bench. The doughy stuff out. Just mush that around a bit just until it's not sticky anymore. Then I'm just going to chop this into about 8 sections. So I'm just going to chop it in half. Half again, and then in half again. So we got nice little dough balls, or dough square triangles.
Like cake cuts.
Like cake here, looks like a piece of cake. Alright. Now, I'm going to roll this out. I have no idea what you're doing, I'm just making wraps. You're the one that magically turns wraps into naan bread.
Okay, so
Don't we need cheese?
we do need cheese. That there is 180 grams worth of cheese. My boy, do your thing. Great. Like only you can. Right, call the thee when that is grated and we have a few rounds. So put the round on there.
Okay, right. Put one on a plate.
And where is your garlic?
Fridge door.
Fridge door. I'm looking.
It's in a tub.
Looking.
It's in a tub with garlic written on it.
Ah, of course. She turned it the other way around so I can see that was in the
Yes.
door. Conspiracy. Right, 1 teaspoon per garlic naan of
I'm not sure the People in YouTube land won't be able to see that, but should at least be doing one like out here or something.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Then we do the next one. And then you just smother garlic around there like so. Now please have some cheese, Mr. Man. What a great job, you have done it great. And liberally apply a dollop of cheese like so. Actually, Sarah says less is more, but I think more is more. Go figure. Everything has a lot to do with cost. Then we get this one here. Then we place this one here on top of that one. We just pan it down just a little bit.
And then we put it on the stove too.
And then we get, where's your brush, my love? A little bit of oil in a container. Any container will do. And then you apply oil liberally to this side like this. Oh yeah. And then
Boom. You nearly got it in the middle.
yeah, that's it. And then we cook it up.
Right, how long for?
Just until you see it start, not long, just 30-40 seconds. On each side. You see the edges which aren't covered starting to bubble, and that's when you know it's time to flip it.
Woohoo. Ignore the fact that I've just spilt stuff all over the bench. Just pretend I've got a tidy bench.
See that there? Alright. Hopefully I've got this hot enough. Just generally these have to be rip-roaring hot. Not quite.
That looks pretty good, I reckon.
Not quite. Yeah, it is. Normally you oil both sides, but because I was filmed, but there was a lot of oil left over from me
You're blaming me.
cooking the eggs. Yes, it's all your fault.
Yeah, instead of putting them on a plate, we just stick a tea towel down on the bench. After each one's placed on, put a tea towel over the top. And that just helps keep them yummy and warm.
Yummy and warm. Now, unfortunately, these garlic and cheese naans, I sort of feel are almost a meal within themselves because they are so yummy and they are so Moorish. Whoa.
Even yummier than the shops.
Excuse the chaos, this dinner's kind of a team effort. There we go. There is 4 absolutely delicious garlic and cheese naans ready to roll. Yum.